but overall, not bad. Okay, just got back from Walmart and I picked up a Meguiars Quik Scratch Eraser Kit. It says it's for fine scratches and blemishes, so we're gonna see how this thing does on the truck. Alright, let's get it opened up here, see what we got. Alright, so it looks like this is the applicator pad that goes into the end of a drill. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. It goes in just like that. Tighten it down. Okay, we also got a bottle of the remover, the polymer.